Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talking about this structure, and we have to create this structure in Revit architecture. This is the monument structure. It is situated in Bangladesh, and this is the National Martyrs Memorial. And now we're going to just create build structure, create this form in Autodesk Revit. So let's do it. Go to this Revit software, and first of all we have to open our mask family. Go to new and just select this mask family and open it. Now go to elevation view. We have to first of all create a reference plane, RP. Say just place this reference plane and create a dimension from this ground level. Say this is the 1 feet we can set, such as, and create a different level. There in 7 level, because there is a 7. You see in this picture there are 7 part of this memorial, and that's why we have to create a 7 level. So let's do it, and just go to this Revit family and create select level. Just keyboard shortcut key is double L, and say to set this the dimension of this level, say 20 feet. First level, and second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now just go to plan view. First level, and just create a line in one side. Say we have to set this line in for 45 degrees. This is the first line, and just copy offset this line. Offset this line to for 10 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now these attach this line of this first vertical reference plane, and attach this line to horizontal reference plane. Now select this trim extend multiple elements, and now select this this trim extend multiple element, and first, and we have to attach this line to this vertical plane and this horizontal plane. So now select this vertical plane first, and just select this line. Also select this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now select first. Now select then second. Select this horizontal reference plane and select this line. Also select this line. Now just select all these 7 line and mirror this line. Now go to 3D view. First 7th number line. Just select 7th number line and create create a form. Now just select this point the start point of this plane in both sides. Now drag this point, or we can align this point to this first level, which we already drawn our reference plane. Just just active this reference plane align tool, AL, and first select this reference plane and just click this point, and also just select this reference plane and click this. Oh no, this is the point. Select this reference plane and select this point. Also select this level, first level, so second level, and select this, the midpoint. And this is how each and every line we have to set. We have to set this point of this line each and every level. So let's do it. Just select the line and create a form. Select this line, create a form. Select this line, create a form. Select this line and create a form. Now select this line, create a form. This line and create a form. Just first, then select this reference line or align tool. Active the align tool. Then pick this multiple alignment. Just select this reference line and pick this point in both sides of each and every plane. Okay. Now we have to set this center point of this reference of this plane. Set this each and every point on this attach this of this level. Select this level and attach this sixth plane. Select this. Oh, sorry. I have to uncheck this box. Now select this level 3 and select attach this point. Select this level 4, attach this point. Select this level 5, attach this point. Level, this is also for this is the 4 and this is the level 5. Attach this point and also select this level. Attach this point. Select this level and last level, top of this level, attach this point. As you see, the form already generated just like this. See, now we have to set thickness from this plane to create. Now just how to do that? Just select this plane. So select this plane, each and every side, and create a form. Okay, and actually we have to set a form and this positive offset, or we can say positive offset is 6 inch or 2 feet. Okay, and also this is select this for surface. Select this surface and create a form and set this offset 2 feet. See the wall, the shape of the form will be created. Just align this point AL, align. We have to set we have to align after complete this form. Okay, just finish this form from this plane, two-dimensional plane. We have to 3D. We have to apply a 3D effect. Just create a wall from this two-dimensional plane. So let's do it. Just hit the tab key and select this single surface and create a form. And also set 2 feet. Select this surface, create a form, just set the 2 feet, set the dimension to 2 feet. Select this surface, this is how we have to create this thickness in 7 times. There are 4 more. Two feet. Select this surface, create a form, set 2 feet. Apply this thickness for 2 feet, and also select this surface, create a form, apply this surface, set 2 feet. Select this surface, create a form, apply this surface for 2 feet. Select the surface, create a form, and set this positive offset is 2 feet. Select this surface, create a form, set the dimension is 2 feet, and also select this last monument and select this last monument of the surface and create a form and set the dimension, say 2 feet. And now to set 3 more. Select this surface, create a form, set 2 feet. Select this surface, create a form and set for 2 feet. And also last surface, select the last surface and create a form and set for 2 feet. Now we have to align this end point of this wall. We have to edit this point, each and every plane, each and every wall. To set this edge, top edge, you have to edit the top edge of this wall. Okay. So first, just click this point and say to unlock this point. one side, and also select this point, and select this point, and align this point, AL align, just select this and also align this line to this point. Unlock this line and AL align. Okay. AL align this point to this point. AL align. Just select this point, then lock this wall, and also select this point, unlock this wall, select this point, unlock this wall, and select this point, unlock this wall surface, select this point, and unlock this wall surface, select this point, and unlock this wall surface, point, unlock it. Unlock it, so select this point and unlock it. Now we have to align each and every point of this wall, AL. AL align this point to this line, and also tab this point to this line. AL align this line to this point, and also this line to this point. AL align. And also as you see, the monument already created. Just mark this endpoint and say just like this point, and we have to merge this the last monument, set and edit the top edge of the last monument. Just select this last point and select just a z-axis and drag to this, align this line, and also select this line and drag this to this, align this point, as you see. And we can join these both walls. Okay, so the monument already created. That's how we create this type of structure in this Revit software. We can create. Okay, that's it. See you on next video. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.